Hello everybody and welcome to another Georgia Carpet product review. Today we're taking a close look at Mohawk RevWood Morena Bluffs. They just keep adding things to the names and it's like... Today we're taking a close look at Mohawk RevWood Morena Bluffs. This has been long overdue for a product review, but how does it actually hold up in your home? Let's find out. Morena Bluffs features unique plank dimensions of 8.35 inches by 54.33 inches and a thickness of 12 millimeters. This laminate is available in 4 unique colors, from the darker shades of cliffside pecan to the lighter and brighter tones of fresh spring pecan. As the name suggests, these planks are designed to give the appearance of pecan wood, complete with highly realistic and enhanced visuals. This is thanks to their Genu Edge and Signature technologies. Signature captures the natural beauty and texture of hardwood with up to 75 layers of texture, and Genu Edge rolls those visuals over the side of the planks to capture that realistic look. But the visuals don't matter if they won't stand up against the rigors of a busy and active home. So how do they hold up? Well, Morena Bluffs boasts a durable construction with water and pet protection included. If your dog knocks over a glass, or even if they have an accident on the floor, Morena Bluffs guarantees that you won't have to worry about stain damage. It's shielded thanks to their all-pet stain protection and warranty, covering all pets, all accidents, all the time. And it's waterproof too, so long as it is installed to manufacturer's specifications. Water is unable to seep into the seams or through to the subfloor thanks to Wet Protect's watertight joints. In fact, Wet Protect boasts the industry's only lifetime surface and subfloor waterproof warranty. It's even safe for steam mopping. Plus, RevWood is proudly made in Thomasville, North Carolina, so when you purchase these floors for your space, you can confidently know that you're supporting American jobs. But what about installation? That's always an important part of any flooring purchase. Thankfully, Morena Bluffs is offered an a-click installation thanks to their Uniclick technology, making it the perfect choice for those looking to DIY their flooring. And these planks can be installed on, above, or below grade, so whether you're installing in a bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, or basement, these planks can handle it. And for the cherry on top, Morena Bluffs is carbon negative. Every purchase helps to replant our nation's forest through Mohawk's partnership with One Tree Planted. Plus, it's Floor Score certified, independently verified for high indoor air quality. But now that we've talked about all the benefits of these products, let's put our money where our mouth is. We're putting Morena Bluffs to the test. First, the dent test. We dropped this wrench onto the floor to see if it left an impact. Next, the scratch test. We took my house keys and tried to scratch up the plank. Third, the scuff test. I pulled off my shoe and dragged it across the plank. Fourth, the moisture test. We poured water directly onto the seam between 2 planks to see if it would soak through and allowed it to sit for a moment. And finally, the stain test. We poured red wine onto the floor and allowed it to sit for a moment to see if it would leave a mark behind. Now, it was no big surprise that Morena Bluffs held up. After all, this is from RevWood's Premier Collection, widely considered to be Mohawk's best of the best, so it's no surprise that no scratch, scuff, or stain left any sign of damage on the plank's surface. And when we poured water onto a seam, not a drop made it through to the subfloor. Unfortunately, one of our 5 drop tests did cause some denting, but in this case, I deliberately dropped the wrench in a manner that increased the likelihood of causing a dent. Well, we hope you found the information in this review helpful. If you did... No, that's not right. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell for future product testing and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.